Hello everybody and welcome. Hope you're all well. This session we're going to be carrying on where we left off. Our point-to-point or peer-to-peer communication protocol, ESP-NOW. One way, we're going to be communicating one way. Last time we did the sender. Well, this time we're doing the receiver. Okay, so let's go straight over. Let's go straight over to our IDE. And this time I'm using a second ESP32. I'll say for these next few videos, you are going to be needing more than one ESP32. You can get them. I think they're about, you can get them for around $20 for 3. All right. I'm connected to ESP32 Dev Module 9. COM9. Right, so new sketch. And what we're going to do, we are going to start. Okay, we're going to start. So, the first thing we're going to do is bring up our old sketch. Hopefully you've saved it. All right, this is our sender. It's important that this part here is the same as on the sender. All right. It's exactly the same as on the sender ESP32. So what we're going to do, we're going to Control C. All right. And we're going to come across here, click here, Control V. Now, because this is the receiver, we do not need this line here with our MAC, Media Access Control address. All right. So all we need is up to here. Right, so we've copied and pasted this. All right, and structure my data. Now what we need to do now, let's put a few spaces in here, come up. A few more. Right. We need to set up a callback function. All right, so it's void space on capital N, data, capital D. And capital RECV for receive, on data receive, brackets on, const, space, UINT 8 _T, space, star, space, Mac, comma, space, const, space, UINT 8 _T, space, star, incoming data. All right, incoming data. Capital D on the data, comma, space, int, space. Let me just get this out of the way. And it's len. All right, come outside the brackets, no semicolon, space, curly brackets, enter. Then MEMDPY, brackets on, and my data, capital D on the data, comma, space, incoming data, capital D on the data, comma, size of, brackets on, my, capital D on the data. Come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. All right, so that's that so far. Then we want a serial.print. Okay. So brackets on and it's quotes, bytes, received. Colon, space, come outside the quotes, come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. Serial.print line brackets on, quotes. No, it's not quotes. Right, len. Right, come outside the bracket, semicolon, enter. And it's serial. Right, and it's length. Now, space, say, space, serial, dot, print, line. No, it's not, it's print. Sorry about that. Serial dot print. Brackets on, quotes, and it's char. All right. Not all capitals. Why? Sorry about this, guys. Quotes. All right. Char. Colons. Space. Let's put quotes in off that. Come outside the brackets. Semicolon. Enter. Serial. Dot. Print. Now it's line. Brackets on. All right. And then it's my, capital D, on the data. Dot. Or full stop. A. Come outside the bracket, semicolon, enter. Right. Now what we can do, we can highlight this. Okay. Control C. Control V. Why that's done that, I don't know. Instead of char, in here, we can put int, capital I. And instead of my data A, we can put B. Let's come down a bit where you can see this. Okay. Enter, enter, Control V. Do this again. And instead of int, I believe it's float. Yep. And instead of A, click in here and it's C. All right. And then Control V. Instead of char, it's bool. For boolean. And it's data D. That saved us a bit of time, guys. Saved us a bit of time. From outside the brackets, a semicolon, enter. And then we want a serial dot print. And then brackets on, brackets off. Come outside the brackets, semicolon. All right, so that's that part done. And now have a tidy up, quick tidy up. And we're going to go on to our void setup. All right, things that we want to happen only once. Goes inside the curly brackets and it's an enter. First thing we need to do is our serial.begin. Brackets on, 115, 200. Come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. Then we need our Wi-Fi mode. Wi-Fi.mode. And it's a brackets on. And it's Wi-Fi. And we want station mode. Right? Wi-Fi _ STA, the station. From outside the bracket, semicolon, enter. Now we need to initialize ESP-NOW. Excuse me. Now, that's if space brackets on ESP _ NOW, sorry, now, NOW _ INIT for initialize. Brackets on, brackets off. I'm outside the bracket space. Exclamation mark equals space ESP, all capitals, underscore, OK. Got that? I'm outside the brackets, no semicolon after an if. Curly brackets, enter, serial, dot, print, and it's ln. Brackets on, quotes, error. All right, initializing. ESP-NOW, all capitals. All right, come outside the quotes, come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter, return, semicolon. I'm outside the curly brackets. All right, once ESP's initialized successfully, we need to register the receive. All right, we need to register the receive. So it's ESP underscore now underscore register underscore RECV for receive underscore CB. Brackets on. On data receive, capital O, capital D, data, and capital RECV. Come outside the brackets, semicolon. Come down. Come outside the curly brackets, and that is our receiving sketch complete. There's nothing in the loop. Nothing in the loop. ESP. Okay, saw that. ESP, okay, Wi-Fi station. My data DCBA. That looks okay. Right, let's upload her. See what happens. Let's have a look. Full sketch, not as long as before. Void on data receive. Right, what's the compilation error? There's a typo. UINT. Make sure that's right. Yeah, it looks okay. INIT. Just check. Let me just check. UINT. INIT. Yeah, okay, let's try again. Let's try again. Let's check things. Wi-Fi. Dot mode. Deary dear. Stupid errors, stupid errors. Okay. File in. And not too many errors. I'm happy with that. Happy with that. We're uploading. We are uploading. And we're uploading. What I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try get these two together. All right, try and get these two together. Right, I'm now going to start the serial monitor on the sender. And as you can see, we got delivery success. Now I'm going to start the serial monitor on the receiver. And there you go. Bytes received 44. This is char. Okay. So the sending delivery success. And we're getting the sent data to our second ESP32. How good's that? How good's that? Right. Next video, looking forward. Next video, we're going to be doing two-way communication. Now, I strongly advise you to save these sketches because it's going to make our life a lot easier when it comes to, we'll just copy and paste a lot of it. It's going to save time. All right. So thanks for watching. Okay, hope you learned something. I did. All right, please give us a thumbs up. All right, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.